that you can catch up to. I'm so sleepy. It's a little bit earlier than yesterday. It's 5:27 maybe, 5:28, and I'm already walking. Okay, so since we got up at 5:15, we started walking at 5:28. Today we leave at 6:10. Oh my god, the sun was following me. My heart dropped for a little bit. So today we have an appointment with the CHP to have our car seats, our car seat checked, and I made my appointment for 12. I don't think I should have done that. That's probably their lunch break. I don't know, but he said it was fine, so I took that appointment. Really hot. It feels like tropical, like if we live in Hawaii or something. Good morning, bro. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Yeah, she's kind of moving right now. Oh my goodness, it's so humid. It's so early, the sun ain't even out. Every single time I wake up early to do my walks, like early in the morning, I feel like time goes by faster. And I like that. So I hope tomorrow I wake up early again. This early so I can be finished. My goal is to be here by 5:20 to start obviously at 5:20 and finish at 6. I'm trying to find the little cat, but he's not here today. I don't know if he's at home or if he's hiding somewhere, but I'm gonna do my walk and watch my novela, and if I find him right now, I'll kind of take a little video of him so you guys can see him. He's here every day. He's not here today, but he's somewhere around. I found him in the middle of the street the other day, so I'm sure he's on his way. Is that him? Mrs. Whiskerson? Nah. Is it? That's not even, I don't know. Okay, if I find him, I'll show you guys. So this dude on this little truck, this dude right here, I don't know who that is, but he's always late. And I think he's a little bit early. None of my business, but just saying. Everybody's arriving to work. Oh, by the way, I found the little cat, so I'm just gonna record like a small clip because there's people. I don't want them to think I'm recording them. Mrs. Whiskerson. He's right there. Told you. Empañaste toda la ventana. You're not hot. I am. At this time, it's when I would get up to go walk at the beginning, remember? And it was really hot. My face looks really swollen. And I have dark circles too. Thank you, Bria. Today I'm sleepy. I'm gonna take a nap right now that I get home. You don't live that much anymore, huh? No. Where should I put this? much the same every day. Now I'm just gonna put my water aside and get all my ingredients for my oatmeal. And this is what my oatmeal looks like after I'm done with all my ingredients. It has a little bit of cinnamon, granola, maple granola, a little bit of banana, 1 sliced apple, and about 4 sliced strawberries. When you put the lid on, it helps melt the cheese and stuff. How come the sun hasn't been like out these past days?
These are not.
Corre, so we can get our car seat checked or installed because you took it off. They're gonna check our car seat. When you lo instalaste, you should get it off, no? Yeah, do something, cause let me stand by the shade. So if you guys have like kids in car seats, you should contact your local highway patrol so that they can check if they're properly installed or they can help you install it. Lord Jesus, it's so hot out here.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Tim.
Lorena.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. So we had it installed. He took it off.
Okay.
But
Yeah, go ahead and install it and then you can check. Yeah. I just want to see if I get it right.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. That's how we like to do it. With side airbags, right? So there's gonna be an airbag up here, an airbag on the pillars, right? So if you get involved in a side collision, those airbags are gonna go off. With the car seat in the middle, there's no airbags to impact the car seat. So we usually say that the middle is the best seat. But if you guys are gonna have passengers or you want people to sit back there as well, then having it on the side is not the worst. Okay, so-
yeah, most likely, I think I have a Honda Accord.
Okay.
So I mean, it's only so it's me and the baby. So I'm probably gonna install it in the middle.
Okay.
This car, unfortunately, we can't install it in the middle, which is why we need it on the side. But
You can't install it in the middle because.
there's no seat in the middle.
Oh, is it these are captain's chairs.
Yeah, but there's just on the back.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Oh, yeah, I couldn't see inside. All right. Oh, yeah, you definitely want it down on the side then. All right. So then for the installation, all we're really concerned about right now is just the base, because this is what we're concerned with securing to the vehicle, right? Because that thing's going to be secured to this just by clicking in. The harness and all that stuff we'll talk about after we get done with dealing with this thing. So you got it right. This is called a latch system. You got to connect to where it's supposed to go, and it's run through the right place. We got the rear facing, so that's perfect. And usually you want less than an inch movement side to side, and then you got that's in there really good. Okay, that's nice and tight locked down. That's perfect. Because the child's gonna be facing rear facing, you want the straps to go either at or below your shoulders. Word girl. So at or below her shoulders. All right. You don't want them to go above because they can just slip out in case of an accident.
Oh my goodness, Bria, we installed your car seat, baby. So you had it right.
Yeah.
Tell me when I hit the back seat. just woke up from my nap. I took like a 2-hour nap and I got hungry, so I'm gonna get up and eat. I don't have nothing planned for today. I might vlog my another makeup tutorial. If not, then I might just do a story time because I've been wanting to tell you guys a story for a long time. But I don't know, for right now I'm gonna go eat because I'm really hungry. Look at all my baby stuff just right here in her crib. All the things that I'm gonna have to pack and take home. So yeah, crib's staying here, but I'm taking everything else in her little bassinet. Once she's bigger, then I'll take the crib. Yeah, because you do realize that when I go into the family, you have to take care of that.
That's the same kind of things.
I don't know how to make that.
Huh?
I don't know how to make that.
You don't know?
No. Everybody has to make it. Do you guys still want this on top? This will be good. I said I'm getting little sharp pains on my lower back. Yeah. Stop doing that. Then I'm still gonna eat. Yeah. That I am walking a different direction today, and I'm only doing that because I kind of got bored of like walking the same direction. But I think I'm gonna like turn around and walk a different direction because people are staring at me. And that's Christian right there getting in his car, about to drive to the middle school to watch me walk. I'm starting to feel very sharp, not very sharp pains, but kind of like mild sharp pains down there. They don't hurt, but they do feel like discomfort. And there's a really suspicious car on the parking lot, so I don't know, that makes me uncomfortable, especially at these hours when it's this dark. I don't know what they're doing there, but it's not the workers from yesterday because I know them all. But yeah. I'm telling you, this guy in this little truck is always late. I don't know who he is, but they're always late. I should tell the school. This weather really does look like Cancun. I feel like it's gonna start to rain. Earlier, like when I was walking, me cayó como una gotita and I was like, oh no. And I was barely starting to walk and I thought it was gonna start to rain. And I kind of got scared because it was dark too. But I don't know, I think it's gonna start, it might rain like a ratito.
I feel like October.
Yeah, like October. It feels exactly like October. It's been a few hours since I last vlogged. It's the same day though. I'm currently at my house right now, and I'm waiting for the electrician to come because he's gonna install an AC up here where that I don't know what these are called, to be really honest. Whatever. So on this one, and it needs to go here. So this will be removed, and that's where the AC will go. So I'm waiting for him to come to do that, and then I don't have anything else that I have to do for today. I'm just relaxing. I'm really tired, like always. I took a nap earlier, and I woke up like, well, I went to sleep like at 7:50, and then I woke up like at 10:30. So about three hours. I took a nap for like 3 hours. But Yeah, earlier today I was so tired. Like I really did not want to get up to go walk, but I felt like I had to, so I still went. But there's days where I'm just like, I don't want to go home. But then if I don't go, I'll feel like super unmotivated, and in a way it makes me mad throughout the day if I don't like do the stuff that I know that have to be done. Even if like I'm lazy and stuff, I still try to get up and do things because it just makes my day a little bit better. Plus, I don't have anything else to do. So getting that out of the way at least makes me feel like I did something productive throughout the day. I'm gonna be cleaning my mattress. It's kind of dirty. There's stains. I already put some powder soap, Hacks to be specific. So I'm just waiting for the brush to like scrub that. And they are here to install my AC. It's really hot in my living room. And it's really hot outside too. Can you guys see like how desert-ish it looks? I love my view. Look at that. They recently replaced this window. It's pretty big. And I love it because when it rains or it's summer or even winter preferably, it looks really beautiful out here because you know you can see the rain and stuff. Yep, they're making a hole right there. Oh no. Look, and then I bought these and she never turned them on. Why does she have these things here, like just random stuff? I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean?
Like I want to keep, but like, well, like if it's on her stuff, she doesn't, like, if we're gonna
My
throw
mom's
some
such a
on,
hoarder,
we're gonna throw them away, but if we're just gonna like, figure out and figure it out.
No, well, I'm gonna take out her stuff what doesn't work, and I'm gonna throw away the things that I think don't work anymore. But I'm not gonna like deep clean the house. I'm just cleaning like this area because I have no idea for like all this stuff. But like, what is this? And then she has all the curtains different colors. These are brown see-through. And then those are nice. Those white ones, las gruesas que compro tan bonitas. Yeah, I chose them. She was gonna get some like purple. Some purple with like con florecitas. Or I don't know what it was, but it was like some weird stuff. What is that? That looks like something Jason would get.
I don't know, from like a party.
I was looking for this. I had it because I'm like, no va a perder.
Yeah, that's really
This
nice.
is this was on my dad's grave. No, not his grave. His casket.
I know, like
They
on top
put
of
it-
it, huh? Like when they did his like oraciones.
Yeah.
You
This
know
is
what
really
I
important. Yeah. I think they gave one to his mom too. Oh yeah, dude, just help me move that, and then we can put her little tree right there, I guess. This one? Wait, someone's outside. Oh, that's Jason.
Like $50 at the cheapest store.
Yeah. But she's worried. Look at how this looks right here, all dusty. No, that's because of the AC. Because they were like drilling into it. Yeah, not the spider webs. She needs serious help. She needs serious help, just like to decorate and stuff. Obviously, the carpet's gonna be installed, but
Any decorations, just leave it there because
I'm like wiping down my doors and stuff because they're pretty dirty. I don't know why they haven't really put the time to clean stuff like this, but me personally, like I need my house to be clean right now, every single inch, especially now that the baby's coming. So I'm like kind of nesting, I feel. And now I'm cleaning the other door. It looks pretty clean from the top already. I'm just doing the bottom now. Get the chance to close out the video, but I pretty much ended up cleaning up half of my living room, not all of it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go back and help my mom clean the rest. But for today, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't want it to be super long. But I am at his house right now and I'm gonna eat. So let me show you guys. I made a grilled cheese sandwich and I'm gonna eat some chicken with salsa and mole. And then a little bit of cranberry juice because I really can't have sweet stuff because of my diabetes. But thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you guys next time.